Good afternoon, my friend. Now our machine is under testing. And here you can see the furnace body. Here is the control cabinet. I want to show you how to connect the cables to the cabinet. And firstly, there will be 3 lines, the phase line from your transformer and connected to the machine by here. This A, B, C, D. And this is the 0 line. And this is a 3-phase line. For the line come in, connect to here. And under here, this is out from the cabinet to furnace. We connect to here. We had doing the mark to show you where to connect. And this is the cabinet connect, very easy. Okay. And this is the panel. And as the stamp we show you last time, went to stamp 1, stamp 2, stamp 3. And this is very easy to go. And this MF power for adjust the machine power to raising or lower down. We can use switch this one to adjust the power. And here this is a power show, which we can see now the furnace goes to 21 kilowatt. 这是功率吗？这
个现在显示是功率。
yes。
现在20多千瓦，你可以升。这顺时针的话，功率就起来了。现在可以升到60千瓦。
maximum to 60 kilowatt.
对，它自己慢慢升到60千瓦左右。
Okay. And when we receive the furnace and doing the crucible preheating, we can also follow this procedure. And for the cabinet connect to furnace body, here I want to show you. This is water come in, water come out. Blue for cooling water come in. The hot one is for red one for hot water come out to the cooling tower. And this cable we need to prepare it. We need to buy it in Jakarta. And cooling water connect to the tower. We'll connect to the cooling tower. And here this is the cable. This cable, these 2 cable we send for free with the furnace. And this is the water tube. Water tube we need to. Your company need to prepare it. We'll connect to here, will be okay. And can start the furnace. And okay, we can see there is some smoke. I don't know whether you can see it. There is some smoke from the furnace. We are testing the furnace. If it's normal, we will turn off it later. Okay, thank you.